Welcome to Inner Sky Radio, your space to realign, reset, and return to your power. Today's practice is more than just repeating words. It's about reshaping the way your mind speaks to you. Your thoughts are not random. They're patterns. They're habits. And the good news is, they're changeable. We're not here to silence your mind. We're here to retrain it, to teach it a new tone, a new rhythm, a new language rooted in truth, clarity, and self-trust. So, let's begin. Close your eyes if you can. Relax your shoulders. Place one hand gently over your chest and the other over your belly. Now, breathe in slowly. Feel your lungs fill. And exhale, long and soft. Let go of yesterday's noise. Let go of the thoughts that spiraled this morning. You are here now, and that's enough. Take 2 more breaths just like that. This is your reset. Core Affirmations, Mind Rewiring Flow, Round 1. Repeat these words. Let them sink into the quiet corners of your subconscious. Let them be louder than doubt. I am safe in my body and in my mind. My thoughts are not facts. They are energy, and I choose what stays. I am allowed to feel confused and still be in control. Reflection, awareness of old patterns. Now, ask yourself gently, what thoughts have been looping lately? Where do you catch yourself spiraling? When do you hear, I can't, I'm not, it's too late? Those are not truths. They're just tracks your brain got used to, and today we change the soundtrack. Core Affirmations, Round 2, Reprogramming Beliefs. Repeat again, this time slower. More intentional, more rooted. I create my reality with my repeated thoughts. Each time I choose peace, my brain rewires for calm. Each time I interrupt a negative loop, I build strength. I am training my mind to work with me, not against me. I replace fear with curiosity. I replace judgment with patience. I replace shame with gentleness. I am learning, I am growing, I am safe. Feel that shift. That's neuroplasticity. That's new pathways forming right now. Visualization, seeing the mind change. Now imagine your brain like a network of glowing wires. Old ones flicker and fade. New ones light up. Soft blue, warm gold, deep violet. Each affirmation lights up another path, until your whole mental world is glowing with potential. That's what you're doing right now, creating a new internal map. Core Affirmations, Final Round, Embodiment. Let's seal it in. These are your anchors. Repeat. I trust the pace of my transformation. My thoughts are powerful, and I use them wisely. I return to calm anytime I choose. I believe in my ability to grow. I believe in my ability to begin again. I believe in me. Every time you choose to listen to your mind with intention, you change its tone. Every time you stop a spiral, you rewire your pathway. Every time you say something loving, your brain listens and responds. This is not just affirmation. This is evolution. So come back to this daily. Let it be the voice you play before the spiral begins. The voice you lean on when you forget what's true. You are in control. You are in power. And your mind is finally on your side. This is Inner Sky Radio, and you are becoming something incredible, thought by thought.